Back again YouTube, and welcome back to the coding workshop. And this video I'm gonna just basically try and fix some of the issues that you guys might have noticed with the recent videos that I've uploaded. I mean, if you're coming from a mobile or a tablet device, you might have noticed that it's difficult to actually watch along because the size of the video was not what I expect. I'm recording in 1080p, but the output that I was getting, or what you guys are getting, is not what I expected. I mean, I've got two big screens in front of me, so I am seeing something completely different, and I was under the impression that you guys are gonna see what I was seeing. But I've logged on with my mobile and I was trying to watch it, and I'm like, yeah, this is not watchable. It's okay if you're on a laptop or a desktop computer, you'll be able to see it properly. But if you're coming from a mobile or a tablet device, you might be struggling somewhat. And I don't want to put you guys off. If you're new to the channel or you come across my videos or you see anything, oh yeah, that's not really good enough. Yeah, it's a fault on my side completely. Something that I've not. I thought I looked into it. I thought it was going fine. But obviously I've uploaded videos and it's not what I expected, and I'm trying to find a way to fix the existing videos by trying to re-upload them, or trying to re-edit them and sort of like zoom them in. But at the minute I have not yet come across a good solution for that. I am still looking into salvaging what I've already put out, but please be aware that going forward, this is what you're going to be seeing now, because you can see that I've adjusted OBS. I've changed some settings on my computer. You can see that you can see it much better now. So this is what you're going to be getting going forward. So if you've got a mobile device, you've got a tablet, you can tune in and then you could follow along properly. I mean, I haven't changed anything in the code base. The code is still the same as it is on GitHub. You could still go there, download the code, and you could follow on. You could continue on when I sort of like put the next set of videos out. Which is going to be in this particular format you can see on your screen right now, which again, I'm much happier with. I've tested it, I've uploaded it to YouTube, I've watched it on my phone, on my computer, and I'm a lot more happier with the size of the video that you guys can see. So please bear with me. I'm going to try and actually fix the existing videos, but I will be going back through those videos. I will be going back through those classes in the coming videos, just so you guys sort of like get what I was trying to put across. If you weren't seeing it properly, I will be going back through them quite a bit extensively, so I'm trying to make you understand what I understand, so you could go out there, you could build yourself a nice little career doing web development. If you're self-taught like I am and been in the game for as long as I have, there's quite a bit that I can show you, I can teach you, and send you on your way to becoming the best that you possibly can become. So not to sort of like keep this video going too long. As I said, it's a short video, just so you guys know that I'm aware of the issue with the last set of videos that I've put up, knowing that the quality wasn't very good in terms of the video size. But I've addressed that now, and hopefully going forward, this is more like what you're going to be seeing. So again, I have not changed anything within the code. It's still pretty much the same. Yeah. So again, I'm glad that I caught the issue when I did, and I've not gone ahead and record more series in that same format, because then I would have had the same issue. So I'm glad that I caught it last night. I was trying my best to try and re-edit the videos and try and zoom, but I haven't got that much knowledge with editing video, because I've just literally started doing this and I've done these edits myself. So if anyone else knows how I can salvage what I've already put out, please let me know down in the comments. Any sort of like tips and advice would be much appreciated. But again, thanks guys, and hopefully I've not put you all off. Hopefully you'll come back, and if you've come and you've seen the videos and you think, nah, the quality wasn't very good, big faux pas on my side. I've addressed the issue now, so going forward the video should be a lot bigger, so you can follow along on whatever device that you've got. So stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping the next set of videos within the next day or two, so Stay tuned, stay blessed, have a good night. Peace.